Hey guys, happy Friday. So I am sitting now in the carpool lane waiting to pick up my boys. And in the meantime, I thought I would do a little unboxing with you guys from some goodies that I got from Charlotte Tilbury because I raised up a tier. I am now in the gold tier. I'm almost literally in the highest tier. The highest tier is rose gold. So I am at the gold level. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's the Magic Beauty Stars program. I am part of the program. So when you reach gold, every time that you go up a tier, you get different like benefits. You get products, you get more commission rates, all different kind of things. And what do you call it? So I reached gold and they sent over 3 products. So I am going to unbox with you guys. All right, so first product is a Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand. I got the highlighter, and I've talked to you guys about this millions of times before. And I actually did a video on these, or a video or a picture. What did I do? I don't remember. On these beauty light wands. They're amazing. Right, so this is the beauty light wand. This is a highlighter and this is in the shade Pillow Talk. I don't think I have this shade, but if I do, I'll definitely give this one away to you guys. I think I need to do a Charlotte Tilbury giveaway. You guys let me know if you guys will want me to do that, because I have several products that I could do a giveaway for you guys. And if you guys have been here for a while, you know I love giving back. The next thing they sent over is Charlotte's Magic Cream. If you guys know Charlotte Tilbury, this is like, I don't know if it's her most famous product, but it's definitely a famous one. And I'll show you real quick, but you guys probably know, and I can definitely do a giveaway with this because I have several magic creams waiting to be used. So it's an amazing moisturizer that's a full size. So maybe that's something I can do for you guys. And then last but not least, they sent over their luxury palette in Pillow Talk. And I don't remember if I have this one, but let's see. Let me show it to you guys. Oh my God. I love it. I love it. Look at those colors. That is absolutely gorgeous. So you guys know, if I do have this is like perfect for travel. Perfect. If I do have this, I will definitely do a giveaway for you guys. I think I have several products. All right, guys. So that is what I got for reaching the gold tier in the Magic Beauty Stars program. And I will be cooking up a giveaway soon for you guys. I love you guys, and I will see you later at another point in time.